Rajiv Maurya, and here we are going to discuss some questions which are based on the percentage, application of percentage. And we have also solved various questions from this exercise, and I hope that you understood everything clearly. So if you have any problem, then please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I will clear your doubt in my next video. Okay, and I would like to suggest you that please revise all your previous chapter, whatever we have studied in your previous session, and if you have any confusion, then you can see my last video once again, because all the video are available on the internet. So I hope you are getting everything whatever I am telling you. So let's start without wasting your time from a question this session. Okay. So here a question is: a man donate 2% of his annual income to charity. Okay. A man donate 2% of his annual income to a charity. 2 charity. If his monthly salary is 15,250 rupees, if his monthly salary is 15,250 rupees, then find the amount he donated. Then find the amount he donated. Okay, students, so this is the question. Just try to understand what does the question say. A man donate 2% of his annual income to a charity. Okay, he donate 2% out of the salary of 12 months. Okay, and if the salary of 1 month is 18,250 rupees, then we have to find what amount he donate to the charity. Okay, so here first we write in the solution that salary of 1 month, the salary of 1 month is equal to 15,250 rupees. This is the monthly salary, so that we can find his annual income or salary up to 12 months. So here we write salary of 12 months is equal to 15,250 multiplied by 12, and when we solve we get this. Okay, so this is the annual income of the man, 1,83,100 rupees. This is the income. Here we have find the product of 15,250 and 12. So here I multiplied 12 in this, 12 0 0, 12 5 the 60, and 12 to the 14, 12 to the 24, 24 and 6, 30, carry 3, 12 5 the 60, 60 plus 3, 63, carry 6, 12 1 the 12, 12 plus 6, 80. So this is the annual income of the man. Now we have to find 2% amount of 1,83,000 of 2%. So here we write 2% of 1,83,100. Okay, we have to find this. So this will be equal to 2 upon 100 multiplied by 1,83,000, and here 20 become cancelled out. Here 20 become cancelled out, and here we get, and here we get 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 1 is 2 and 1 3. So that here we get 2% of 1,83,000. 2% of 1,83,000 is 3,660 rupees. Okay, so that we donate 3,660 rupees to a charity. So this is the required result of our question. Okay, student, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see one more question which looks like probability but not like that. Here just we have to find percentage only. Here nothing the concept of probability. So first of all, let me write the question, then I will explain how we solve this. Coin is tossed 60 times. 60 times. 60 times, and it land tail side, and it land tail sides, tail side up 35%, up 35% of each of the times, 35% of the time. Then find the number of time, find the number of time, each side turn up, each side turn is the given question. Okay. Let us see what does the question say. A coin is tossed 60 times. Okay, there is a coin which is tossed at 60 times and it lands tail side of 35%. Okay, 35%. When we toss the coin 60 times, then 30% out of 60 comes tail and the remaining comes head. If we toss a coin, then either we get head or tail. Just suppose that if I toss this duster 5 times, only 5 times, and if 2 times come this white surface, then how much time comes this yellow surface? Then you can say that, sir, the yellow surface will come only 3 times because 2 times already white surface has been come. Okay, so therefore here the concept is same. If the coin is tossed 60 times, then 35% comes tail. That means remaining 65% will come as head. So if we find out 30% of 60, as I know that 21 time comes, yes, 21 times come tail and 60 minus 21, that is 39, will be head. So here we find, so this is the question. A coin is tossed 60 times and it lands tail side of 35 of the time. Then find the number of each side. That means we have to find the number of outcome of head and number of outcome of tails turned off. So here the question is so easy. Just try to understand what is the feeling of the question. Okay. So here we have to find the number of upcoming of head as well as number of upcoming of tail. So let's start. So here we write number of toss. The number of tossed coin is equal to 60 times. Okay. So according to the question, number of outcoming of tails, number of outcome of tail is 35%. Okay, of 60. So this will be equal to 35 upon 100 multiplied by 60. 1010 cancel out. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. So here we get 7 multiplied by 3 and this is equal to 21. So we can say that number of outcomes of tail is equal to 21 times. Okay. So when we toss the coin 60 times, then 21 times, that is 30% of 60, that is 21 times outcome is tail. And what is the number of outcome of it? The remaining part will be the number of outcome of head. So that if 21 out of 60 is, if 21 out of 60 is 10, then 60 minus 21 will be the number of outcome of head. So that here we can write, therefore number of outcome, number of outcomes of head, and this will be equal to 60 minus 21 is equal to 39 times. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, students. So this is the solution. Let's see once again what does the question want to say. A coin tossed 60 times and it landed side of 30, tail side of 35% of the time. Okay, here when we toss the coin 60 times, then there is 35% out of 60 outcome is tail. Then we have to find the number of outcome of tail. So we have to find 35% of 60. So here we get 35% of 60 is 21. So we can say that here 21 time outcome of tail. Therefore, the number of outcome of head, we shall subtract 21 from 60. We get this result. Okay, students. So this is the solution of the given question, and I hope that you get everything clearly. So if you have any problem, please go to the comment section and mention your doubt. I would like to clear your doubt in my next video. We shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.